Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch PSG Champions League matches. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. Now, once we open our browser, on the search bar, we're going to search for PSG Champions League and then click on enter. After that, just scroll down and then look for uefa.com and then make sure that this is the link that you're going to click. After clicking, you will now be redirected into their website. So what we're going to do next is to click on UEFA TV. And after doing so, what we're going to do is to just wait for this to load and then just scroll down and then you will now be able to see the matches right here. So all you have to do is to look for the PSG matches right here. And let's say, for example, that we want to watch this. So we're going to click on it. And then, of course, we'll have to log in to watch it. So after clicking, you will now be redirected into this page. You can sign in through Facebook, Google, and Apple. So I'm just going to click on Google right here. And then I'm just going to choose my account. And then after that, we're going to click on continue. After that, we're going to put our first name and then our date of birth and then click on I accept and then click on create account. After that, just search for Paris right here and then just add PSG right here. After that, click on continue and then just choose your country of residences. So if you are from England, just click on England right here and then click on confirm. And then once you're now logged in, just look for the match again. And then in this part, you should now be able to watch it. So if you click on play, all you have to do is to wait for it to load. And then you will now be able to watch the whole match. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.